Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying the Arbiter Decaying Winter and verifying power. Make sure the charge is at least 50% so the effect sustains. Once done, move into an open area away from flames and allies within about 5 meters. This limits friendly damage. Next, enable Decay Sync mode and pick a duration, typically 30 seconds for control. This balances spread versus resource use. You do this because initial positioning and charge determine the overall reach and intensity of the winter decay. You activate the primary burst by holding the trigger for about 1-2 seconds. This creates a focused cone that plants decay seeds into targets. While it's running, watch the ice to decay meter and keep it between 65 and 80%. This ratio maximizes slowing while preserving damage. Then, use short movement interrupts to reposition. They let you maintain line of sight without overexposing yourself to counterattacks. These steps control spread and ensure each pulse lands where you need it. You finish the sequence with a secondary chill pulse. Press the right trigger to lock and decay and freeze progress. This converts slowed targets into lingering damage. Make sure to dispense a small recovery charge, 5 to 10% if the system warms. That prevents a shutdown. If decay seeds fail to anchor, reset sync mode and reapply pulses in 3 to 5 second intervals. This staggered approach forces reattachment. Troubleshooting tip: if attachments still fail, check for environmental heat sources and move to a colder zone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.